Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be going over the three main types of positions and an extra type of position that we use sometimes when we're coding. So in the example for the website that we have so far, I'm just going to use this nav bar that we have on the side to show you what it looks like when you change the positions. So a relative position is the element's position relative to its normal position. And if we change this to relative and then save, refresh the website, and you can see that's what it looks like when you change it to relative position. Okay, so absolute position is the element is positioned absolutely to its first position parent. So if we change that to absolute, Control S to save, refresh, and you can see that it's positioned absolutely to its first position parent, which is right here. That's the first position parent. So the fixed position is the element is positioned related to the browser window. So we change that to fixed, Control save, refresh. Now it looks exactly like the absolute, but let me show you the difference. So we'll change it back to absolute, Control save, refresh. Fixed, Control save, refresh. So it actually keeps it in the same spot just because there's, let's see, absolute, position absolutely to its first position parent. So that's going to be positioned absolutely to this parent. If there was something else right here, like if there was something else in front of it, then it would be positioned there. And then fixed position is the element's position related to the browser window. So related to the window itself instead of the parent. And with the nav bar, it's kind of hard to tell like what the difference is, but I'll explain. So this one is mentioning the window, so it's related to the window, where this one is related to the object or whatever the element is before it, the parent. So if you tell it to, let's say, position itself absolutely to its parent, and we don't have it aligned to the left like this on the browser window, then it's just going to be just like this. Now if there was something else over here, and there was something else over here, and then this was positioned down here, if we did like a fixed position related to the browser window, but we changed it to absolute position to position it to the parent, but the code is up here and it's showing up down here, then it will show up like right up here instead, where it should be according to the code. So what you want to keep in mind is, like, when it comes to absolute position, it's going to go according to whatever the hypertext markup language that you have or CSS that you have for the parent is. And this one is going to go according to the browser window. Okay, so now sticky, we change that to sticky. Control save, So element is positioned based on the user scroll position. So it's just gonna stay like in that spot. If we scroll all the way down, if we have more things, then it's gonna disappear. So it's not gonna be like visible the entire time. If we scroll past it, then it's gone. Whereas if we switch it back, oh, we switch it back, then it's gonna be visible even if we scroll down. So if we switch it to fixed, it's gonna stay there. It's gonna be visible the entire time. Another thing about absolute position is if you scroll, so let's say if we have it in absolute, switch it back, and refresh. And now if you scroll past it, it's gonna disappear. So let me add a few paragraphs down here to give you an example. We go over to our body, and let's just copy and paste this paragraph, these two paragraphs. To make it longer. Save, refresh. Now if we scroll past it, we're not going to be able to see it because it's in absolute position according to the parent element. Or, yeah, absolutely to its position parent. So now, if we switch it back to fixed, refresh, you're going to see it no matter how far down you scroll. We switch that back to, let's say, relative, save. You're not going to see it if you scroll past it. And sticky, same thing. Actually, no, sticky, it's not the same. Hold on. Go back, refresh. Save, refresh. Okay, yeah, so sticky also disappears if you scroll past it. So the only one that does not disappear from your site when you scroll is fixed positioning. Alright, that'll be all for today. Catch you in the next video. Bye.